Hello everyone, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a story about a boy who didn't care about time until he met someone who changed his life forever. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Arjun. Arjun was a nice boy, but he was very lazy. He always said, "I will do it later." He did not enjoy studying or helping at home. His family told him, "Don't waste time. Time is important." But Arjun did not listen. One day, an old man named Mr. Sen came to the village. He was very wise. People said, "Mr. Sen gives good advice. He helps people with their problems." Arjun was curious. He wanted to meet Mr. Sen. He walked to a big tree where Mr. Sen was sitting. Arjun said, "Hello, sir. People say you are wise. Can you help me? I want to do better in life, but I don't know how." Mr. Sen smiled. He took a small hourglass from his bag. He gave it to Arjun and said, "This is a magic hourglass. Look at the sand inside. The sand is like your time. It moves from the top to the bottom, slowly." Arjun looked at the hourglass. The sand was falling, little by little. Mr. Sen said, "Each grain of sand is a moment of your life. When time goes by, it never comes back. If you waste time, it is gone forever." Arjun felt something change in his heart. He said, "I understand now, but how can I change?" Mr. Sen said, "Start with small things. Wake up early. Make a plan for your day. Do one thing at a time. No phone, no games while working. You will feel happy when you finish your work." Arjun thanked Mr. Sen. He went home and made a plan. He started waking up early. He studied at the right time. He helped his parents. He stopped wasting time. Day by day, Arjun changed. He finished work faster. He found time to draw and play music. He was not lazy anymore. His friends were surprised. They said, "Wow, Arjun is so different now." Arjun also spent more time with his family. He laughed with them. He talked to them. He knew that time with family was also very special. Many years later, Arjun became a wise man. The village loved him. He told his story to young children. He showed them the old hourglass and said, "Time is like this sand. Don't let it slip away." So, my friends, time is a gift. Use it well, and your life will change. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like the video. How did you feel about the story? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to Happylish for more English stories for beginners. Every story helps you improve your listening, reading, and vocabulary in a fun way. So keep watching, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next story. Bye-bye.